Hi folks, and welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. I'm Shawn.
And I'm Corinne.
And we are out having some fun in
the Dixie
forest.
National Forest.
Yes.
We're east of Bryan Head on Highway 143, heading toward Pangitch. And we're just doing a nice little tour of the forest, looking for some wonderful aspen color.
And we're finding some just absolutely gorgeous color out here. Corinne's focusing on some stills, and I'm focusing on some drone video and some drone stills. So it has been a fun day so far, and we hope you enjoy it. So Corinne and I came out to shoot a little fall color today. And what we didn't really expect was a hailstorm. But you sort of got to be prepared for everything. So we're back in the backcountry, kind of waiting for a chance to see if this goes away. And we actually get a chance to get outside. So what do you think, Corinne?
I'm hopeful. I think we're gonna just have this cloud blow right over and we'll have some blue sky breaks very soon.
Well, I'm also hopeful. We came up today predominantly to do some drone video. So yeah, we look a little weird like this. We did a little drone video back here in the Dixie forest, and hopefully we're going to get that chance.
This is a view of a drone pilot hard at work, regularly looking down at their hands, or what look like they're looking at their feet, as they stare at the screen to get their point of view of what the drone is seeing.
And here's what I was seeing when Corinne was photographing me flying the drone. And as you can see, the drone is actually getting wet right at the moment. It's still raining. I'm trying to set up a few shots before the weather gets good because the sun was just peeking in and peeking out. So I wanted to make sure I was ready for the next shot.
Well, we're definitely having some interesting weather today. Earlier we were sitting in the car, had a nice little hail shower, then we got a sunny break, got out, did a little drone flight, and now we got some big, heavy, dark clouds forming up again to our southwest, and not sure if they're going to come and give us another rain shower in a minute.
So the current conditions are slightly windy, clearly overcast, periodic rain with periodic sunbursts, and I'm also flying at about 10,000 feet. So when you put all that together, the drone has about 15 to 20 minutes of good battery life before it starts warning you about low battery and wanting to land. Realistically, I have about 10 good minutes of photography once the drone is up. It takes me a little while to find the location I want to be in, and then I will make several test runs, this being one of them here, before I get serious about trying to actually either take photographs or create video with the drone. A number of runs end up getting wasted because either the drone doesn't fly smoothly enough, or if the wind's too strong, it's being pushed sideways too hard. I also like to try a variety of angles and different heights when I'm getting ready to create a photograph or create a video. And this is an example of me shooting the drone over to the right a little bit and then crossing the fence heading towards the forest, seeing how I like that shot. So this is a good example of what I'm waiting for. You can see in the distance there at the base of the mountain, the brightness is starting to increase. And this is the light breaking through the clouds and really what I'm waiting for. So once I start to see this, I'll land the drone, replace the battery, and get up and start taking some still photographs. And once the light came out, here are a few of the compositions that I took at this location. I also like to create large panoramic photographs using the drone. And here is the area that I'm actually going to photograph. It turns out that this is a 21 photograph image, and here it is now. The next location we stopped at was just an absolutely ton of fun to shoot. It had this beautiful stream meandering down through it with colored trees on both the right and left hand side. And also it looked like the stream, when you followed it all the way up, went up into the colored trees. Absolutely gorgeous spot to do some work. Unfortunately, we didn't have a great deal of time to shoot at this location. The clouds really started to move in and it started to rain pretty hard. So from here, we only have a couple of still shots. Our last location for the day is this pretty little patch of aspen mixed in among some leafless aspens and some pine trees. I like locations like this because I can often get some really interesting light, and the light can be somewhat spread out among the aspens and the pine trees. As it turned out, that was exactly the case on this day. It was a great location, and we hope you enjoy the photographs.
Folks, we sure hope you enjoyed this video today.
And if you did, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. It helps us out a lot. And if you'd like to see more of our videos, please hit that subscribe button down below. It's really helpful, and we appreciate everyone who has subscribed.
And because we're releasing more videos these days, especially some shorts, hit that little bell button to be notified when we release a video.
And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. Just put the comments down in the section below, and we'll be sure to respond as soon as possible.
And until next time, bye for now.
Bye for now.